It's an underpower video demonstration of the Hanwha model XD20H CNC Swiss machine, new in 2006. We're just going to do a little underpower demonstration machine. Just want to take a look at the work envelope. The machine is really nice and clean. Medical device facility.
There's an M3 mode. We'll just do a quick M4 on here.
We don't have a collet in the rotary guide bushing, so we're not going to go real fast. We just want to allow people to see that it's moving.
Okay, and then the sub.
Okay, we're just doing the sub spindle. Again, we don't have collets, but you can see everything moving. Video's taken, it's just ready to be disconnected, so it's taken in the plant prior to disconnection.
Right down.
Okay.
Just a little control till we start going.
Yep, let's go.
There we go.
Okay, we're engaging the C-axis here on the sub spindle.
Live right now. There we go.
There we go. We got the ID backworking spindles moving. There's 2 live and 2 static. Okay, that's good. And just get another.
Try to get this guy.
Yeah.
X. There we go. Look at it, you can get a little top view, I think, this way.
Yeah.
Get it up here. Get it
That's
up near
good.
the parts picture. Move this guy back. Come in here, I suppose. Well, you can get a front. Alright, so I'll just turn on a sub, and that should engage them.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Just say go, and when you say go, I'll start recording. We have the sub spindle and the two back working alongside the sub spindle working.
Parts catcher spits out and goes down.
The parts catcher and the parts conveyor work well. This is a conclusion of our under power video demonstration of the Hanwha XD20H CNC Swiss automatic lathe.